Okay, so welcome to a new YouTube video. So are you curious as to how people back 10x down to 100x just trading memes? There are factors known to come into play while picking these bets consistently. So in this video, I'll show you what to look for, how to get the best information, and the psychology behind picking the best meme coins in the market right now. If you're ready to play in this meme coin casino, then you should watch this video to the end. So when it comes to memes, I want you to know that there are a whole lot of them. There are a whole lot of memes in the market. So when you want to actually like pick the meme for you, or the meme that you know that yes could turn to like 100x or 200x or 1000x, you need to have, I would say you need to be smarter. You need to have some categories that tick the box for you. Now this is how I actually do it. These are a lot of people that I know that have actually made so much money from this market or from the meme coin market actually do it. And I want to just give you the secrets, like share it with you guys, because that's what we do on this channel. So if you like stuff like this, don't always forget to give us a like on the video. So let me just go straight into it. Now we're going to start off from Dex Screener, because that's obviously where everything is. So on Dex Screener, if you have used Dex Screener, I've actually made a video about Dex Screener, so it's like you know about Dex Screener yet. But if you don't know about Dex Screener is basically a place that tracks all the cryptocurrencies on every blockchain or L2 in the cryptocurrency market. So if you come here, as you can see, from here where I'm scrolling down to, you see like there's Solana, there's Ethereum, BSC, Arbitrum, Base, Polygon, like all the crypto coins you know are here actually. All the crypto coins you know are here actually. So sorry, all the crypto blockchains you know are here. All the blockchains you know are here. So no. Sorry. All the blockchains you know are here. Okay. All the blockchains you know are here. All of them. So now the question is now, how do you now like filter it? Like how do you get the bets that can actually like turn out to be something worthwhile? Now this is how, like I said, a lot of people do it. The people have actually won the market. And this is it. So basically I'm going to be using like the hottest chain that I know for this cycle so far to explain this, which is Solana. There are memes on every chain, and it's not just memes you can track here. You can track any coin being listed on that particular chain, so it's not just memes. So I'll use Solana. You can track Ethereum, you can track Tron. At least these are the ones I know that are actually hot for now for this cycle. So I'll go to Solana. And when you come to Solana, as you can see, there are a lot of coins here. Like how do you like go through all these coins? Yes, you can, and it's advisable. You know, that's also a way of doing your own research. At least that way you know that okay, yes, you're checking these coins one by one. You're checking the structure of the coins. Is this something you want to dip into? Probably by the time you open the coin, you also check the, what do they call it, the Twitter, the website, you know, those basic, is it a rug? You use rug checker to check the contract address. Is it a rug? You know, those basic things to like validate a contract for you, the market cap, the holders, you know, those little things. But at the same time, it's still a lot of work, because you will not really know, like you have a lot of coins to decide from. So like you may end up just probably picking anything that you feel will go up, and probably it doesn't go up, or it goes up, you know, and you're lucky. But if you paid attention to the introduction of this video, I said how do people pick these bets consistently, because there are a lot of winners in this market, especially the meme coin market. And now I didn't play this game early on in the cycle. That was like the beginning of the year. I started learning about the game like mid-cycle, when a lot of things just crashed and crumbled. But I feel like this is vital information, like in case anybody needs it. This can actually help you like scale things for yourself. Now, how do you search through all these things? Now this goes down to the first and number one way you should actually snipe a meme coin, is to like follow reputable people on Twitter. You know, like anybody that tells you about crypto knows that crypto is basically Twitter. Like crypto is Twitter. Everything, all the informations pass through Twitter. So why I say follow reputable people on Twitter is because when you follow reputable people, especially people that are in this particular niche called the memecoin niche, they shield most of these coins. Now, to me, what is a meme coin? Why does a meme coin go ballistics or pump like 1000x? Like I said, they love meme coins. So it's what they call whales, or like the big players. They come together and try to push one or two or three memes. You get what I'm saying? Like they come together, they have a lot of money, they push it and they shield it, and then the wise people that follow these guys on Twitter or follow some kind of good influencers on Twitter, you can pick up these things. Then you now do the normal research you will do on a random coin on it, and then if it fits into the criteria, you buy into it. Like, why do I follow these strategies? Because one, like most of these people shield these things before they go 1000x. All you just have to do is pay attention. And for those people, I'll actually tag them in the description of this video, so you should just do your due diligence and follow them on Twitter. Just like if you followed Alex Becker in the last cycle, you would have caught a lot of gaming coins and you would have made so much money. That's how some guys now are in this meme coin market, and like they have the edge. So following them is like a win-win situation. Now that goes down to number one. Now number two for me is that the meme should be funny. Now let me go show you a list of memes I'm tracking and why I say the meme should be funny. Like, why would you buy a meme coin if it is not funny? Like, don't do that. Don't do that. Now when you come here, you can see I'm tracking a few memes. I'm tracking Doge, Floki, Shiba, Myro, Wave. So you know what Wave did? If you didn't know, I'll show you. Popcat, Brett. You know, these are like OG memes. But one of the memes that I love the most, to be honest, is Momo the Bull. Momo the Bull. And I'm still going to talk about it very soon in this video. And another one I love is Jinan. But look at how these memes are funny. Momo, when, you know, like when is something that is big in crypto world. When coin, you know, when this, when that. Meow, you know. Brett's not really that funny. Then another thing that's kind of popping up in this market is like dog and cat memes, which you can see like Popcat, Wave, Myro, and the rest. So like I said, the number one strategy is like you have to follow reputable people on Twitter. Then the number two strategy is that the meme should be funny. The meme should be funny. And now what is now the number three criteria? The number three criteria for me is that they should have whatever you're tracking should have an active Twitter page and should have a website. Like, now let me show you an example with the meme that I feel like is the best bet in this market right now. I've already called it, which is Momo the Bull. There are two for me. I'm not here to show you memes. This video is not trying to tell you to buy anything. Now, you should always do your own research and like do your own research before you hip into anything. This is just me trying to explain my methodology to you. So I want to do it very fast. Now, Momo the Bull, I started buying Momo from here, around here, before it went ballistics like this, and then it dumped, and I'm still holding. And here's my reason. I bought it here, so like the risk to reward for me is like a lot. I'm not saying yes, like me holding it and it dumped is a good thing, but this was actually like a fast flash up and down crash. And I feel like this meme actually, like with everything surrounding it, it has not reached its true potential yet. Now its name is Momo the Bull, which is like a bull case for the crypto bull run that is actually happening right now. So if you believe in the bull run, like this is like according to what people call it, they call it the mascot of the bull run, Momo the Bull, Slay or the Bears. You get. Now look at, why did I buy into this meme? First of all, when it was around here, a lot of these influencers I was talking about, these same guys were the guys that shield Wave. If you know what Wave did, let me go to Wave chat. Look at what Wave did, and this is not like this is like the chat that has been listed on the DEX. So if you go like to DEX screen now and look for Wave chat, let's go and look for Wave chat on DEX screen now. You see where the real magic happened. And these are the same guys that were shilling Wave, these are the same guys that were shilling Popcat before these things went ballistics. Like, look at Wave did crazy, and people are still even expecting it to even like break it past this all-time high and stuff like that. And at this all-time high, it was at like 2.2 billion. Like it went from nothing, literally nothing. Now let me go back to my Momo depot. So now looking at Momo, so these guys who have been shilling this thing right from here, they have been shilling it. And then when I went, I looked at the structure. This was a perfect structure to buy. Like I bought it and I haven't regretted because I'm still in profit regardless. You know, and like I said, this meme still has a long way to go. And if you look at this particular meme on deck screen now, wait, let me find it. I'm tracking it. Okay, look at it. It's currently 84 million. Now, at the high, at this high, which it did this long week, it was at 800 million USD, which puts the market cap at 800 million USD. Sorry, this price point put the market cap at 800 million USD. And just look at this chart. Even at this price point, it's still absolutely nice. And if you go and you check the Twitter page and you check the website, it's vibrant. On Twitter, anywhere you go, you see Momo. Momo has like one of the best communities there. And I wouldn't have been able to see this. Probably I would have seen it, but I would have seen it late. I wouldn't have seen it early if I wasn't following those guys. So I feel like following the right people is kind of the number one strategy. I wouldn't have been able to see this if I wasn't following those guys. You get? And now look at it. It has very active community. They are always posting and posting. Look at 60 minutes ago, and like they have engagement. You know, they have engagement, and people are just like talking about this meme. It's not like everywhere yet, but I feel like this meme could be everywhere at some point. And then when you look at the website, they also have an amazing website. Like look at this website. Like it's cool, it's fine. So it's like once you, like I said, once they show to you on Twitter and then you check the name of the meme, it's a funny meme, then you come and do your normal research that you do, you check the website, you check the Twitter page, then you check it on Rock Checker, and then you are good. You check the charts too to know whether you hip into it, and then boom, you are good. You get what I'm saying? So I just hope like this video like helps you. Like I said, I'm not sharing you anything. I'm just trying to share you my thought process, and I believe following those guys I'll share in the description of this video can actually help you like when you are trading this Memecoin casino market. And to be honest, those same guys are the guys that called things like Wave. I've called Wave. They also called Popcats, which has gone crazy. And these memes are actually like dog and cat memes. Like I said, this cycle has been producing more of dog and cat memes, but this one, Momo, is kind of different. It's not a dog, it's not a cat meme. So both parties can come side together. That's both the cabal can come side together. And it's just funny because like in my language, if you're being called a Momo, it means you're a fool. So like it just ticks all the boxes for me. Anyway, I hope this video helps you to make the best bets in this market. Like there are a lot of other memes as you can see here. I don't want to like waste a lot of time in this video, but this applies to any meme you see on this my chart. Any meme that you see here is something that has been shielded by these guys, and I've checked the chart and it's worth it. I'm talking about the risk to reward, and then I now decide whether to hip after checking both the Twitter and the website. So I hope this information helps you, man, in this market, and I hope you find that 100x gold box. If you like stuff like this, please don't forget to give us a like on this video, and also don't forget to subscribe because I drop videos whenever I have the opportunity to. Thank you. See you in the next one.